patient numéro 8 est un paradoxe ambulant. Note de point. Le patient numéro 8 est une machine lente, virgule, colérique et manquant d'assurance. Il lui est, ouvrez les guillemets, virtuellement, fermez les guillemets, impossible de se séparer de son pistolet laser. Toute provocation pourrait avoir des résultats meurtriers. Assure que son mode par défaut est rage. Certain de ne pas être apprécié par son entourage sans pouvoir donner d'exemple précis pour se justifier. Des examens supplémentaires sont nécessaires pour explorer l'obscurité dissimulée dans cette machine composée de panneaux de fibres à densité moyenne. Nicole, marquez-le pour jeudi en 8 et mardi en 15. Ah, mais c'est pas éteint ça, et si je...
The following announcement from SP Corporation and its legal affiliates. It is intended for the audience of the defendant in the pursuant matter who will henceforth be referred to as, quote, Ray, end quote. Quote, Ray, end quote, has been problematic concerning the inquiry and obtainment of information regarding the development of property, construction and operation of joy-based businesses for the express purpose of jubilant children and well-fed adults for and by SP Corporation. Quote, Ray, end quote, has unlawfully procured and shared information regarding, but not limited to, unaffiliated radio stations, star-shaped joy hats, personal voice messages pertaining to shovel repair, arcades and or starcades, robot-operated saloons, socks befitting cacti, self-actualizing arcade cabinets, skin, second and otherwise, shape-shifting, phone-based meteor delivery applications, space exploration and space-related theorization, ambiguous smiley face logos, and any other confidential materials that shall remain secret. In addition to, quote, Ray's, end quote, inaccurate French translations, the perpetrator has broken doctor-patient confidentiality by sharing, quote, patient aids, end quote, personal information in the form dictation notes intended for the sole purpose of the attending physician. Furthermore, quote, Ray's, end quote, unauthorized collaboration with an individual known only as, quote, advertisement guy, end quote, is particularly offensive to SP Corporation. In regard to the above referenced matters, quote, Ray, end quote, is instructed to cease and desist all further inquiries, postulations, posits, presuppositions, assertions, wanton allegations, and reckless speculative guesswork, effective immediately, under the threat of a lifetime ban from entering SP-owned properties and its affiliates. Quote, Ray, end quote, is hereby informed that the information that he has shared is false and defamatory, and did not go unnoticed. Have a day as bright as a star.
Saturday mornings are for hatchery mismatching. That's right. Everyone's favorite different bird brothers with the same mother are at it again in an all-new episode of Step Birds. Check local listings for feather ruffling fun.
Combat your dental hygiene in a stealthy way with new Tripwire Floss for teens. Yeah! Blast away plaque buildup and detonate dental debris with Tripwire Floss's eagle-eyed persuasion for teens. Yeah! Landmine cavities be dental doomed. Your new smile will go boom! Tripwire Floss will blow your mom and dad away. Yeah! Tripwire. Tripwire. For your mouth in an elegant way. When you floss with this kind of stuff, you blow your friends and parents away. Wow! Tripwire Floss is for small adults under 18. Yeah!
Big shout out to all of the stars that are world shining bright with you know, and who really are tuning in though, but you don't know say all this tuning is fooling around in our business, you know. So we have to give you a special message to all of the special listeners that love by special things. At the a real star, you know me general, but we run the place round here, we are winner. You not say nothing cause you are the beginner, boy. Yeah. Remember me tell you. Yo, Zipper 04. Finally, you/Leo48626. If it wasn't for you, we would have never been here. If it wasn't for you, the sun would have never shined. We all wonder what else you can find. But big up yourself, though. The real 5-star general. The rest of them a little youth, you don't know, you see me. Oh, yeah, man,
Become the callous, sun-deprived, explosively spectacular you. Little Miss Scratchy Beard, stubble stuck in a mouthful of missing teeth you. It's not shape-shifting, it's skin transplanting. Skin of Mike.
Howdy, cowpokes. Are you sick of weak cactus? Do you wish you could have cactus in Siberian winter, or even in nuclear winter? Then you're in luck, little doggy. Our cactus are made in special soil with the best humane growth vitamins, so they have the sharpest, teeth. These cactus practically take care of themselves. It's almost like a little man lives inside. But do not look inside for little man. Never look inside for little man. We have bulk rates too. Our cactus are perfect for weddings, birthdays, funerals, theme parks, funerals, and more. So mosey on down on Cowboy Ivan Cactus Patch and pick a cactus before they pick you.
Are you sick? If you answered yes to one or both of those questions, then you may be eligible for health insurance coverage with Scrapsurance Healthcare, the only health insurance company by and for scrapyard workers. We specialize in medical conditions such as being sick. Don't let life scrap you by. Call Scrapsurance Healthcare today.
Everybody's favorite day is now a different day. That's right. If you love Saturday, you're gonna love Mondays, because Monday's the new Saturday. All the Saturday flavor you know and love packed in a shiny new Monday wrapper. It's like Saturdays, but Mondays. Try it now. If now is Monday.
Тази реклама от как така и как така плюс. Единственият антисимеклен доказан да защитава кастряли инфекция от обикновените охапвания на кактус. Сега за